Hi, in this video we are going to talk about how to decode a QR code in Python programming language. First of all, we want to use a package called OpenCV, so you should simply type pip install opencv-python in order to install OpenCV package. Now we should import OpenCV package, so we should simply type import cv2, or if it doesn't work for you, you should simply type from cv2 import cv2. Then we should read our image, so we simply type cv2.imread because we want to read the image, and this is the path of our image, and we are going to store the image in a variable, let's say called img. Then in order to decode the QR code, we simply use cv2.QR Code Detector, and we create an object, for example, called detector. And then we simply type detector.detect and decode, and then we should pass our image. And remember that it returns 3 values, and for example, let's name them value, B, and C. And we don't care about these 2 variables. So here, if I print the value, and if I run the code, you can see the value is this URL, which we have discussed in the previous video, and we have converted this URL into this QR code.